Guys, I've been seeing this viral cherry tomato feta pasta all over the internet. They put it in a pan, they put it in the oven, but we're not doing that. We're gonna do it on the Blackstone Griddle. It's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get started. That's some good groceries. All right, to get things started, we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil, about a tablespoon, onto a pre-warmed griddle on low. We're gonna add your block of feta cheese and your whole package of cherry tomatoes. Now to the cherry tomatoes, we're gonna add salt, pepper, and some Italian seasonings. And when you got all that into a nice package, put your large dome over that, and we're gonna let this steam, roast, whatever you call it, for about 5 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes. You can see the juice coming from underneath our dome from those beautiful cherry tomatoes. Oh man, look at that. They have just kind of blistered up a little bit on the bottom. Plus they're just coming out of their skins. Y'all, this is perfect. And I'm just gonna take my spatulas. Ooh man, and it's gonna start squeezing and mashing that feta cheese. Look, it's just like, looks like almost like cream cheese. All right, so we just mixed all this together, just kind of chopped at it. You can use a masher, you can do about whatever, but I really dig this kind of rusticness of the way these tomatoes are. It's kind of chunked into this. Now to this, we're gonna add 16 ounces of pre-cooked penne noodles. Now we're just gonna mix this all up. I'm gonna put my chute blocker right there so none of everything goes out. All right, we're not quite done yet. I didn't want it to burn, so I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic to this. I didn't want to add this at the beginning for fear of burning. That's not good. And I like this. This is a tomato bouillon powder. It's got a little bit of chicken broth in there too, or chicken bouillon, I might say. Adds a little bit more flavor. Got a little bit of Parmesan cheese. That's gonna make it nice. There we go. Now, if you see that it needs a little bit more moisture, no problem. Just add just a little bit of water. You can use chicken stock, vegetable stock, whatever. But we did use that tomato chicken bouillon. We're just gonna use water. Perfect. Look at that, that looking good. Last but not least, we're gonna add a little bit of freshness to this, guys. Got a little bit of fresh parsley and fresh basil right out of my garden. I literally just picked it, so fragrant. This is gonna add a nice freshness to the dish. Oh, the smell is amazing. I wish you could be here. The look is amazing as well. There's nothing left to do here but to plate this up. All right, that's my portion. I'll see you over there. Let's try it. I want to dress this up with just a little bit more of this parsley and the basil. Make it look all nice. A little bit more Parmesan on top. That, my friends, is a beautiful pasta dish. Let's give it a try. Man. Y'all, there's a reason why this might be viral. That is awesome. Y'all, I suggest you give this a try, like ASAP. Super simple on the griddle. Don't have to make the house hot or anything. I just want to say thanks to Griddle Nation out there, all you guys out there cooking on your griddles, sharing all those posts. We sure do appreciate it. Now, the Griddle Crew Spotlight, I'm going to give a shout out to my girl Jess Farron down in South Carolina, or South Cackalack. Hey, she puts out some awesome vegetarian meals. I suggest all you guys go and check out. Y'all, that's all I got for you today. I appreciate you stopping by. Head on over to the Blackstone Network where you see awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Hussey, and that's some good groceries.